In this quick guide, you'll learn how to restore items from trash in Basecamp. Whether you've accidentally deleted a project or simply need to recover some information, knowing how to restore items can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step so you can get back to managing your projects with ease. First, we need to head over to Basecamp's website. So, open your preferred web browser and type in basecamp.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your Basecamp dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left side of the page. You'll see a list of options there. What you want to do next is click on the option labeled Admin Land. Admin Land is essentially your control hub in Basecamp, where you can manage various aspects of your account and workspaces. So, go ahead and click on that. After clicking on Admin Land, you'll be presented with a new set of options. Among these, search for the option that says View Everything in the Trash. This is where all your deleted items go, kind of like a recycle bin. It's a safety net that ensures you don't lose important data permanently by mistake. Click on View Everything in the Trash, and you'll be taken to a page displaying all the items you've recently deleted. Now that you're in the trash section, you'll see a list of all the items you've deleted from your Basecamp projects. These could include files, messages, to-do lists, or entire projects. It's important to note that items in the trash are only kept for a limited time, so if you see something you want to restore, it's best to act sooner rather than later. To restore an item, simply browse through the list until you find what you're looking for. Once you've located the item, click on it to select it. You'll usually see an option to restore the item at this point. Click on the Restore button, and just like that, your item will be moved back to its original location in your project. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully restored an item from the trash in Basecamp. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to know that those accidentally deleted items aren't necessarily lost forever. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips to keep in mind. First, make it a habit to regularly check your trash for any items that you might need to recover. You never know when something important might have been deleted by mistake. Second, remember that the trash is not a long-term storage solution. Items are only kept there temporarily, so make sure to restore anything you need as soon as possible. Thank you for following along in this quick guide on how to restore items from the trash in Basecamp. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Basecamp experience. Happy project managing!